Hi guys, Frank here from Build Your Own, and this is my 2005 Volkswagen New Beetle Turbo. Lately, I've been doing quite a few videos on this car because I've been getting some work done to it. The check engine was on, and I got that taken care of. Got some suspension stuff just taken care of recently. Haven't even covered that in the video, but I will soon. Today, however, in this video, you already know by the title, I'm going to replace the shift boot. I'm going to replace the leather shift boot, or I guess it's leather, maybe simulated leather shift boot, and my 2005 Volkswagen New Beetle. Now this shift boot fits all manual New Beetles from 1998 to 2010. It only takes a couple of minutes to do the job, and this is the only tool you'll need. They're called like nippers. I'll put the exact name of them up in a bubble right now, and I'll also put the name of them down in the description below because the name escapes me right now. But yeah, you just need these little clippers here because there's a little thing down here. Let's find it. Let's find this real time here. There's a little clip down there. You see that little clip right there? That needs to be pinched, right? And that's what those little specialized pliers will do. They'll pinch that. So what we're gonna do is, yeah, we can see that this is the original style. We can see that they've changed the style. This has some kind of plastic, old school Volkswagen look, which I liked. I was expecting to get that. But when I went to the dealer to pick this up at a cost of $300, mind you, yep, this shift boot for this new Beetle is $300. But yeah, it looks like it's all leather now. So let me show you how easy it is to change this thing out. It's super easy. Okay, so it's really pretty simple. As I was learning. So all this is just loose material, and you can simply just pull up on this. That's all you gotta do. Just pull up on that. That's it, right? This black retaining piece right here, that just snaps back down. So let me get that snap back down, and then we'll get on to how we actually get this off. Okay, so I got that black part pushed back down. We can see here's that little crimp tool, that little crimper, right, that I showed you on the new one, right? That's what we use this plier for now. We basically take these pliers and we crimp onto this bad boy, right? Squeeze it, and then we're gonna break it off, right? Yeah, I needed two hands. This tool is a little bit big. It's a little bit big for that little bit of space. So yeah, I needed two hands to get that in there just right. But yeah, you just twist it and this just pops right off. After you do that, then this is supposed to just, yeah, lift right off. It simply just lifts right off. And yeah, you can tell this thing's seen better days. I mean, this car does have 128,000 miles on it. Surely this is the original shift boot for this Volkswagen New Beetle Turbo. So now we've got that, we're done with that. Let's grab the new one and put the new one on. It should go without saying, but common sense will tell you that you want to line your shift pattern up nice and straight. So you're just gonna slide this thing down on here. You're gonna make sure that it's lined up nice and straight. And we're just gonna push down on that. Hit it a couple times, make sure it's down nice and snug, everything looks nice and straight. Okay, get this leather out of the way, and now the only thing left to do is just crimp this closed. So I'm just going to take those same pliers and I'm just going to crimp this thing closed and pinch it. That'll lock it in place, and yeah, there it is. That's all crimped down and back and secured and locked down in place. And then the rest of this thing, I'm pretty sure it just probably snaps right back down in there. So let me just snap that back down in there and we'll see how it looks. Okay, there it is. That all pushed back down nice and secure. Everything's all pushed down. It all looks great, feels awesome. It doesn't twist around. It's nice and secure. And yeah, it looks better than the original shift boot. I still like this material. I was hoping to still they were going to do it in this material, but the all leather's pretty cool. We'll see how that holds up. But yeah, nice little piece. Thing costs $300, but I'm very happy with that. Okay, so yeah, we just installed the put a new shift boot in my 2005 Volkswagen New Beetle. You can see it was really easy, and boy, it sure does make this interior look a lot better. I know the sunlight's definitely not helping. Let me try to hit it from the other angle, see if that looks a little better. Yeah, you know what? Because this car is pretty clean. The seats are clean. The dash looks good. There's no cracks. The carpet's in good shape. The only spot on the carpet's just right down there at the driver's spot. But obviously, if you've got your mats on, then obviously you're not going to see that. But yeah, the car's in good shape. The back seats, the carpet back here, all that looks good. Everything else looks good. So taking that shift boot and cleaning that up, I think it adds a nice new, freshens the cabin up a little bit. Most definitely. So awesome. Yes, this was an easy DIY, meaning do-it-yourself repair for your Volkswagen New Beetle. You have a Volkswagen New Beetle between the years of 1998 and 2010, and it's got a manual gearbox, and you want to change the shift boot and the shift lever boot and all that. It's really, really, really super easy to do. So yeah, on that note, you know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. If you like this Volkswagen New Beetle, check out the link in the description below. I'm gonna go ahead and put the playlist down in the description so you can check out all the videos that I've done on this Beetle. And like I said, other than that, I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you found this DIY helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, I'm gonna tell you to have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the very next video.